Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy, and for today's vlog we are going to be baking, and we're also doing a mini Costco haul. We ended up going to Costco and we're about to put everything away, so let's do that and then we'll get started on the baking. We went last minute and I ended up seeing these ones. These are the Pendleton kind and they are so soft and they're like kind of like the miniature ones, so I ended up grabbing two. Is that yummy? It looks like it's super yummy. Ended up getting these reusable storage bags. We'll see how these work out. We're running low on some of the kitchen bags, so I ended up getting those. I got some sour cream because I feel like I use it in a lot of my recipes. I got some of these socks. I was overdue for some of the socks and I really like that they're like the high ones. We needed mayo, so I just got this kind. I've never actually tried it before, so I'll try it right now with my hot dog. We will be doing a lot of baking, so that's why I got the butter, the Kerrygold butter. I got some bananas, of course. I ended up getting the nesting wood trees. I thought these would look cute next to the chimney or the mirror. Some lactose-free milk for my kiddo. 2 chickens for the week. Half and half for my coffee. Some pizza singles. Some French bread. And we also ended up getting some of these Squishmallow ornaments because my little guy wanted them and he's the one who actually put them on the tree as well. I forgot to mention, I also got these ones just in case I have to give them out individually, and I thought they would make great gifts. Alright, so before we start baking, I'm going to eat myself. I already fed my little guy over here, and now it is my turn. So I said I would be using this mayo. Let's see how it is. It's supposed to be a healthier version. I've never actually made my own, so I wouldn't know. So let's see how this one tastes. Mayo alone always tastes kind of nasty. I don't know. We'll see. Let me try with the hot dog and then... Alright, I wish this could be aesthetically pleasing. I know it's not, but this is what it is. Alright, the taste isn't too strong, so it's bearable, but if it does taste too strong in other recipes, I mean, it's okay. I don't have to have organic everything, I guess. Alright guys, so we're ready to start making some cookies. Are you ready? Alright, now try to, be careful. Yeah, try to break it. Try to break it. Here, let me put this closer. Alright, so apparently my cooking buddy doesn't want to cook with me, so I guess it's up to me to just kind of finish it off. So I'm just going to crack 1 egg, and then I left this piece of butter at room temperature. So it just says that I just needed 6 like tablespoons, and I'm going to try to mix everything already. Come here, you want to pour it? Then come here. I guess not, I don't know. Do you want to pour it? Yes or no? Alright, someone's coming. They changed their mind. Alright, so my buddy over here changed his mind. Good job. Oh, wait. We actually use a spoon. There you go. Alright, go ahead and mix. Mix. There's an egg underneath. Mix. Mix. Ah! Oh my goodness. Put this one in there. Good job. Alright, now the butter. Here, let's put it. Wow. I know, wow. Here, I'll put this one for you because this one's hard to like get in here. Do it with the spoon. Do whatever you'd like with the spoon. Yep, like that. Mix. Mix. Not with that one. Here. Or do you want to go like that? Do you want to cut it with that one? Yeah? Here. Uh-oh. Mix. Wow. Oh, careful. Mama needs an eye. That one too. Alright. No. Yeah, Mama needs him. Look, there's the egg at the very bottom. What, buddy? Yeah? What is it? Yeah? Did you try it? Why do you have it in your mouth? Yeah, but that can't possibly be good. Okay, Papa. Yeah, I know. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it because it's well, I mean, I guess nothing will happen to you because the egg. leg. Or maybe I should be doing it with my hand. Hold on, buddy. Okay. Yeah, I think I should just be doing it with my hand because it's like one of those things. But I hate the texture. I hate when this happens. That's why I can't even make tortillas. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Marco, are you mixing? All right, and this little man left me again. So this is what I'm left with right now. I am going to put it out. I'm going to try to kind of like flatten it out and try to see if I can make like little gingerbread man tree or like little figurines out of them. And then I'm also going to be turning on the oven right now. So it is supposed to be baking at 375. There we go. All right, I just flattened it out and I'm gonna try to see if it will work. All right, we're gonna do a gingerbread man first. Push. And it worked. All right, so this right here is my final result. I'm about to go put it in the oven over there. I'm going to be putting it here in the oven for about 7 to 12 minutes. Okay. And 7 to 12 minutes. And we wait. All right, so we're going to put it for 9 minutes because otherwise I won't remember. While we wait for those cookies to be ready, I'm going to be cleaning this mess up. You can just literally put it all in here like so. This one I didn't even use, but I'm still gonna wash it. And then this, and then scissors. Everything I'm going to wash, including this thing right here. All right, is it just me or is there anyone else that always tries to like do the dishes and I put like a fake scenario in my head like, oh my god, like right now I'm going to have to finish these dishes before the cookies are up. So I'm literally like, I guess, you know, racing against the clock, but it works. So let's get to it. And the satisfaction hits different because I finished. I finished a lot faster than the cookies. There are still 2 minutes left. And they're almost ready. Oh my god. All right, time to take them out. Wait, wait, wait. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, my gingerbread man got fat. These ones, the snowflakes, look kind of like flowers, no longer snowflakes. And my tree, I mean, I guess we could call it an angel instead. Look at this one. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, it says to leave it for 2 more minutes. So until 11:12 to set. All right, since I am no quitter and I am a critical thinker, I have decided a solution for this. My gingerbread man is literally going under lipo and he's going to get cut. Wait, wait, wait. All right, so I'm literally going to do this for every single one of them. They're kind of cracking, but before they kind of dry up, I'm gonna try to get them. Oh man, okay. Okay, this one isn't really working now. Alright, so far it looks like this. And while we're waiting, I'm going to make some chocolate milk for my little guy. And I finally finished the snowflakes. These are the snowflakes. I was not able to save like any of them. They were super hard. But this is the final result. I think they came out wonderful. Just the 2 snowflakes, they just didn't make it. Alright, let's show it to my little guy and see what he thinks. For you, sir. Okay, eat the cookie. Do you like it? No, thank you. No, you don't like it. You don't want it. Oh my god. Dude, really? You don't gotta hurt mama's feelings like that. You sure you don't want to try it? Alright, I guess not. Alright. right, if you've made it this far in my video, I just want to say thank you for watching. I was eating some of the cookies. They actually came out pretty good. They're really, really sweet. I mean, they're sugar cookies. I love the fact that I'm learning as well that sugar cookies obviously should not be molded before you cook them because they will melt. Hence, it makes sense when they just scoop them up into balls and they melt into like this flat, nice circle cookie. But we worked through it and I'm happy with the result, even though this guy over here did not want to try them. But again, if you would consider subscribing, giving me a like, I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.